Alright then, ladies and gentlemen, let's have a look what happened to Kaspa in the last 24 hours. So first of all guys, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and of course a quick disclaimer that this video is not a financial advice. And now let's hop into Kaspa itself. So 4-hourly time frame firstly, and Kaspa basically saw its highs yesterday of 27th of July at almost 20 cents. Okay, we have almost smashed the previous all-time highs, okay, but we got rejected from negative 27 Fibonacci zone. So now Kaspa is experiencing that retracement and we have bounced properly from 0.382 Fibonacci zone. Now we are gearing up towards, that zero level. So let's see how things are going to play out on 4-hourly. Also, another thing is that stochastic RSI is going to downside. We are still eyeing a little bit of downside potential if it comes to that. Now let's have a look at the daily time frame for Kaspa and let's see what is going on. So stochastic RSI is showing us significant strength. Also, it looks like that the bulls are in the control and they are trying to push the price of Kaspa towards the upside. Okay, at the moment this candle is the way it is. Okay, we do have to wait 12 hours for this candle to basically close, and that is going to determine of where Kaspa potentially can go next. Weekly time frame is still showing us a bullish divergence if it comes to stochastic RSI on a weekly for Kaspa. And also guys, this candle looks hell of a bullish. All right, we still do have to wait for a while for this candle to close, and let's see what is going to happen in the next 12 hours. But in my opinion, Kaspa is going to smash through this level of resistance and we are going to see new highs for Kaspa. I'm not saying that this is going to be a huge pump. Nonetheless, if we are going to close above this is still going to remain bullish. All right, now looking at the standpoint of the rainbow for Kaspa, things are still looking bullish. Kaspa is holding very strong and we are still keeping on that rainbow with, of course, local dips, which are, I believe, possible. Now guys, the current word is 98 for Kaspa. Next one is going to be 92. The next reduction is 7 days and we are sitting at 571 petahash per second. All-time highs are sitting at 637 petahash per second. Things are looking very bullish. It's been around 1 month since Mara announced that they started mining Kaspa to diversify. Since then, Kaspa's hash rate has increased by roughly 100 petahash to date. In addition, we know Mara has purchased 60 petahash of mining machines. Guys, to me, it looks like this is just the beginning, okay? More and more companies are going to hop into mining Kaspa, and that is going to basically strengthen the network of Kaspa, and of course, the price with that is going to go, parabolic with time, okay? So, guys, still, everything is going according to the plan with Kaspa. And now let's have a look at the market. We are sitting at 63. We are sitting on the greedy market at the time of recording this video. And also guys, Kaspa will be worth $2,410 in July 2024. And this is the bear case. Study Kaspa. Guys, can you imagine these prices for Kaspa? Can you imagine just holding, let's say, $1,000 worth of Kaspa now, right? And just hold it for 10 or 15 years from now on. People can really become rich. And also looking at different cryptocurrencies and comparing them to Kaspa, Kaspa obviously has no rivals. So let me explain. First of all, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Dogecoin, all of them are obviously proof of work. BTC is obviously the king of the market. Nonetheless, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Dogecoin are lacking in scalability. Now we've got Ethereum, XRP, Avalanche, and Cardano, and they are lacking in decentralization. That's the problem. And Solana is very scalable. However, the security is not really, its strength, and also decentralization isn't its strength at all. Obviously, Kaspa has all of these three, okay? That's why it's a trilemma solver. Rust knows we are sitting at 98.8% if it comes to that. So this is very bullish. Things are looking beautiful for Kaspa. Now, let's have a look at this beautiful chart. Shout out to Mr. Elijah. And this is Wyckoff accumulation. So everything is going according to the plan, okay? We had this spring event and V-shaped recovery, and now we are in this LPS zone. Of course, we are getting rejected, from that 69K level, but I do believe that this is calm before the storm for crypto at the moment. And this is total crypto market cap that is excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum on a 2-weekly chart. The Gaussian channel for altcoins has recently switched to green. Guys, this is huge, okay? The party is just starting for altcoins, okay? So make sure that you're ready for this, all right? And now shout out to trader Tarringate, and this is descending channel pattern that I was mentioning about a while ago. So Bitcoin keeps challenging the upper resistance line in a descending channel. In this price action, BTC has a very high chance of breaking this channel out of the resistance. Guys, so once we are going to break that resistance, okay, that is sitting at roughly 69k, we are going to see some fireworks for BTC and rest of the market, I believe. Now, shout out to Mr. Titan of Crypto, and this is the market structure. Bitcoin rally started. The key level has been regained. BTC is now poised to fly. Guys, the target zone on this chart is around 100k for BTC. Well, 102, 219 to be exact. Now, shout out to Mr. Yoda. Crypto whales are trying to stop you before the bull run even starts. Exactly, guys. This is just a pullback, okay? And this is where we are sitting at the moment for the whole crypto market in this huge, humongous bull flag. So the first level is probably going to be 3 trillion USD, then middle area around 5 trillion, and then all-time highs around 10 trillion USD. Guys, this is going to be huge, but it's going to take time, so please remember about that. Shout out to the Scalping Pro, and he's saying that this is Bitcoin plan for the next few months. Everything is still going according to the plan. If we are going to reach around 80, well, a little bit above 80k for BTC, we could possibly experience some rejection and then proper smash through that zone. And now, total crypto market cap that is excluding Bitcoin on a weekly chart. Shout out to Mr. Prof, by the way. He's saying that altcoins have formed a textbook cap and handle pattern over the last few years. The most exciting phase of this cycle is just around the corner. New all-time highs are next, and the target here is 2.4 trillion USD. Guys, everything so far is pointing towards one direction. Now, guys, if we are going to compare the previous cycle of what happened, right? So we had the bull cycle, then the bear cycle, top, bear, and now, guys, we are halfway. So if we are going to follow this, Bitcoin could see around 220k this cycle. Now, guys, total crypto market cap that is excluding Bitcoin on a 2-weekly chart. The most bullish chart out there is about to break out to the upside, just like in 2016, just like in 2020. So let's have a look, all right? We had the first proper leg up outside of that accumulation zone. After that, we smashed through that downtrend and we saw a huge parabolic run for altcoins, just like in 2020. And now this is the accumulation that we've been experiencing for the last 2 to 3 years. We had the first leg up in which everybody thought that this is, you know, the end of the cycle. And now we are just consolidating and retesting this zone as a support. Once we are going to break through, people are going to be very, very surprised. Now, weekly chart for Bitcoin according to Mr. Titan. The resolution is near. The patience will be rewarded soon. Guys, everything is still going according to the plan. And he's got some targets of around, let's say, 150k this cycle for BTC. And now another weekly chart made by Mr. Mickey Bull Crypto. So he's got some targets of around 110,000. After that, we are going to see the sell-off from that parabolic curve. Referring to the thumbnail, right? So basically, if you are going to invest $2,800 today at current prices, 2,800 times 18, that's $50,400. So market cap would have to go 18 times, right? So 4.5 times 18, that will be 81 billion USD this cycle. Guys, let me know in the comments down below if you think that this market cap evaluation for Kaspa this cycle is possible. That's it, what I've got for you today. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you having a great day. Peace and love, crypto.